one's way back there.
And shoot it back. There's all my wee young birds. Out for a flea. First time outside the loft. Without soaping their wings. That's one for my good friend Derek Kay. That's one of my own. That's another one of my own.
That one's got attacked.
And there.
That one's got attacked.
That mine. That one's for Derek Kay. And wait a minute. That's my red for Derek. That's another one up there for Derek, wee baby. And that's Jock and his missus. So that young one up there, that's just a baby, the same as these ones. But that's took a leap of faith and it's up on the roof.
This is a stick.
And that's a wee stick that we use. And my big red one is a bit of a bully. It's an absolute screwball and he's pecked Jock Jr.
Look at this, Dad. Eating the
Got a
stick.
bit of blood there.
Dad, he's eating the stick.
But they'll be fine. So that's all the young birds out. These are my award winning ones. They're not getting it. They're for the stock loft. Cock and a hen. Absolute belters. Won the national. Really, really good pedigree. Beautiful looking birds. So cheers Derek Hay for some lovely birds and your help.